One product line brings together two of the gun world's polymer powerhouses. I'm Joe Kurtenbach, and this is Lock, Stock, and Barrel. Gaston Glock broke the mold when he introduced his Glock 17 polymer frame semi-automatic pistol. That pistol has grown into a family of firearms that has been trusted by law enforcement and armed citizens all around the world. But today's video is really about another polymer professional, one that's very well known in the firearms world, and that's Magpul. Now, Magpul got their start with the original Magpul, a polymer M16 magazine accessory that would help you literally pull the magazine free of a pouch. So they know their way around an AR magazines, and other accessories. Magpul took a big step in 2015. This trusted magazine manufacturer took on one of the world's most trusted pistol platforms, the Glock. And just like Gaston, Magpul started with the Glock 17. The initial product offering was the PMag 17 GL9. It was a polymer detachable box magazine with 17 round capacity designed for 9mm Luger ammunition. And it was a very highly anticipated introduction, but the launch didn't go as smoothly as Magpul may have liked. It was quickly discovered that there were some issues with compatibility when using the 17 round magazine model with other 9mm Glocks. It was something with the geometry of the feed lips, it just wasn't working perfectly. But Magpul, the way they responded was awesome. They acknowledged the problem right away, they corrected it, and they did their best to replace those magazine bodies as quickly as they could. They earned a lot of accolades, and it was well deserved. It showed a lot of character on behalf of the company. Today, the PMag line includes 5 models for 9mm Glocks, ranging in round capacity from 12 to 27. They pretty much correspond with the Glock factory offerings. There are also a couple add-ons in the form of floor plates for the Glock magazines. One of them comes in a sand color. It's easily dyed or marked for identification. The other one is a bit oversized, which helps with handling and removal of the magazine from the magazine well. One of the biggest differences you're going to see between the Magpul magazines and the original Glocks is the price. The PMags range in price from $16 to $22 based on capacity, and that's real savings compared to Glock OEM magazines. There's no doubt that the Glock PMags represent a great bargain, but let's go see how they run. For more, go to magpul.com.